afternoon and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. Now here are today's top headlines. India steps up role in global space sustainability talks. Artemis 2nd rocket set for launch pad rollout. Asteroid 2026 FB makes safe close approach to Earth. Multiple near-Earth objects tracked by scientists. Spacewalks planned to boost power on International Space Station. New moon creates ideal conditions for night sky observation. Today is Thursday, 19th March 2026. In astronomy, Thursday is associated with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a reminder of how vast and powerful celestial bodies can be compared to our own planet. Our thought of the day is the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, but through science, we try to understand it anyway. Now, starting with national developments, India steps up role in global space sustainability talks. India is actively participating in ongoing international discussions focused on space sustainability and governance. These discussions are addressing critical issues such as space debris management, satellite congestion, and responsible use of orbital space. Let's understand this simply. When satellites stop functioning, they remain in orbit as space debris. Over time, this creates congestion in low Earth orbit, the region closest to Earth where most satellites operate. Interesting fact, more than 30,000 large debris objects are currently being tracked in orbit at speeds of nearly 28,000 km per hour. Even a small fragment can cause a major damage. Moving to international developments. Artemis 2nd rocket set for launch pad rollout. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) is preparing to move the Artemis 2nd rocket back to the launch pad. This mission will send 4 astronauts around the moon, marking the first human lunar mission in over 50 years. The mission will use the Space Launch System, a powerful launch vehicle, and the Orion spacecraft designed for deep space missions. Interesting fact, the rocket produces more thrust than the one used during the historic Apollo missions. So while it was taken decades to return humans to the moon, we are now doing it with even more advanced technology. In astronomy and planetary defense, asteroid 2026 FB makes safe close approach to Earth. A newly detected asteroid, namely 2026 FB, passed close to Earth on 18th March. Size around 69 feet wide, distance approximately 683,000 miles, threat level none. To simplify that distance, it is nearly 3 times farther than the moon from Earth. Let's have a reality check. Not every asteroid approaching Earth is dangerous, but every one of them is carefully monitored. Multiple near-Earth objects tracked by scientists. In addition, scientists tracked 2 more asteroids passing safely near Earth earlier this week. This highlights the growing importance of planetary defense systems. Scientists use telescopes, automated detection systems, and orbital prediction models. Interesting fact, many asteroids are discovered only days before they pass the Earth, which means, yes, space sometimes keeps things interesting at the last minute. About space station developments. Spacewalks planned to boost power on International Space Station. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station are preparing for upcoming spacewalks. The objective is to install new rollout solar arrays. Now, why is this important? More solar power means more experiments, better research capability, and longer operational life. Interesting fact, Astronauts in space are not free from gravity. They are actually in continuous free fall around Earth. So technically, they are always falling, just very fast. Moving to observational astronomy, new moon creates ideal conditions for night sky observations. A recent new moon phase has created perfect conditions for observing the night sky. During a new moon, the sky is darker, visibility improves and faint celestial objects becomes easy to observe. This allows clearer views of Venus, Jupiter and zodiacal light. Interesting fact, zodiacal light is sunlight reflecting off tiny particles in space. Essentially, it is sunlight scattered across interplanetary dust. So, what looks like a faint glow is actually light traveling through space itself. Space today is not just about exploration, it is about responsibility, sustainability, and understanding our place in the universe. From asteroid monitoring to human missions and orbital safety, every development reflects how interconnected we have become with the space. And that concludes today's MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. This is Ishika Jain signing off for the day. Stay informed, stay curious, and keep looking up.